This is a mural by the artist Trevor Nichols, and unfortunately it doesn't have a name. It makes me kind of nervous when artists don't name their artworks. I don't know, it just makes me kind of a little bit nervous. But I do want to show you this mural for a very specific reason. The artist Trevor Nichols was trying to combine Indigenous Australian painting techniques with the subject matter of Western painting. You can see elements of cross-hatching and dot painting. And over here is what's termed as a mimi. Mimis are supernatural spirits which features in some Indigenous Australian groups' lore. Some Indigenous Australian groups say that the mimis taught the Indigenous Australians how to hunt. The mimis are long, thin figures, and they say that the mimis are susceptible to the wind, which means they can fly about if not tied to the ground. Unlike traditional Indigenous Australian artworks, cross-hatching and dot paintings and the like, it's very colourful. It's got it's got earth tones, it's got oranges and reds and yellows, but it's also got bright blues, which you don't see very often in traditional Indigenous Australian artworks. Not even in murals anyway. It seems to be a little bit hidden away, but not too much. It is in direct view of the river here, and so it's not particularly hard to find. But I believe once you do find it, then it does make a difference. It brightens it up, and that's basically what a mural's job is to do, is to brighten up architecture.